Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator in the US with Stampin' Up. And today it's all about quick and easy card using a designer series paper. Today package that we're using is the Perennial Essence. I did thank you cards for the month of June, so if you shop with me in the month of June, I bet you're going to receive one of them here in the mail. So some of it I use Fleur de Flamingo in the background, some of them I use Blackberry. I went with the print here. All of this, all the one that it's right here, it's all from the same pack of paper. It's 6 different print, and I used the one more with the flowers. I'm going to share how to cut your paper, very simple, and how to tie this bow. Then I needed last minute, I needed some 25 cards for a swap for the Stampin' Up event cruise. And I decided to add the silver edge with a little piece of ribbon. That was a little bit more time consuming. So if you just need, let's say, 10, a dozen, well, that would be very doable. But when you have to do hundreds, this was what it called for. So I'm going to share both of them. First, and also this year, I place it on the silver edge card. The silver edge, it comes in silver or gold, and it comes with the envelope also. So let me share both of them. Both of them are cut the same way. This one I should say, because the other one I'm putting my scrap paper in. I just stamped the leaf from the Daisy Lane in this one. Okay, so the paper it measured 12 by 12. So I cut 3 strip, well, 2 cut at 3 3/4 and back at 3 3/4. So that's, and then back at 3 3/4, and it's going to leave you a little strip here like this. So you're going to have 3 strip of 3 3/4 by 12. Then you're going to turn it and cut it at 5 1/4. Now you're going to land up with, you got those little strip, and then you're going to land up with those little piece. I already did some panel cards with this, so save that. I mean, this is a very nice size to put on mini cards. So you're going to see mini cards that I'm going to use the leftover also. I already did a few. Okay, so now you got your designer series paper cut, and these are the print that I use here. It's 6 different print. That's the pattern that I use. That's all the print in it. Then if you turn it around, you see it's more like no flowers, except this one got flower, but I wanted this one. So you see, beautiful, look at that marbling. So beautiful, beautiful paper. This year's paper, it is yummy. Okay, we got that. Show you the paper. The Blackberry Bliss or the Fleur de Flamingo, because some of them I did Fleur de Flamingo to match with the print. That measure 4 by 5 1/4. Before you adhere, attach glue the designer series paper on top of your cardstock, I punch out a 2-inch circle. I call that go green, right? Because nobody going to see that, so that's going to go at the top of my card. And see, you don't see that inside neither. So perfect use that way. Now, if you want to do with just the, let's do one in Flirty here. If you want to do one just with the tulle ribbon, like I did for my thank you card, you're going to need about, I'm going to say about 9-inch. Yep, this is 9-inch. I did so many that I can do it with my eyes closed. I just put one finger here, wrap it there, tie, come again. Some like to do that around like a bottle, like this bottle would be easy, something like that. I always done it around my fingers. That's my faux bow. With the tool, it's kind of pull a bit, so it's not, if you're new at that, it's not the one you should start learning with it, but it's very easy. And see, 9-inch is plenty long. You get enough to wrap it. Even 8 with duet. Now I'm going to use my card base here that measure 8.5 long by 5.5, score at 4.25. Now I'm going to glue this, put my glue in the back. Now when I put the ribbon, that's where I play a little bit. I try to decide where my thing, some of it I put under the bow, and then I look, okay, I think I'm going to put my ribbon right here, and then I'm going to put my thank you over there. So that means I need my bow there. You always reverse the bow from where you're going to put this. I could put that here also. So either way, the top or the bottom, it's going to go here. I don't want to put it here because that's a very nice flower there. So I'm going to put it more to the left. Some going to be more to the right. Some going to be more to the left. Just wrap it around. Now I always like to put another little bit of glue where my ribbon is. Now we're going to take this, I fold that a little bit cockeye. When it's homemade, my friend, it's okay. I'm going to adhere that right at the top. And then I'm going to take my scissors and we're going to cut this sideways. Voila. So you get your full little bow right there. Now, this one I didn't use dimensional. And I'm going to put that right here. I thought to put it there, but I think this one looked better there. So you see, you play with where it's going to be better, look better. Et voila. That is it. Now, the next one, it's a little bit more trickier. I'm using the foil edge card. The foil edge card come already pre-score. It's still the same size than the other one, 8.5 by 5.5, already pre-score, but you get the edge of silver. Also, it come with the envelopes. This one here, I did the same thing, pre-cut that. The top layer, I should have said, the top layer, it's 1 3/4. If you don't have the punch, now you cannot order it because it's been retiring. So you're going to need the circle framelit. This 2-inch, we do have the punch for that. Or you can put smaller too. You don't have to do this and use a smaller one. So this one, what I did, I use a piece, it's about 10-inch. Get one right here. And the other piece is about 4-inch. So you're going to do the same thing, okay? You're going to wrap it around. You put it more at one end. I don't like my thing in the center because I always want at one end or the other. So I get more a longer tail at one end. I'm going to wrap this, bring the other one, wrap it again, but before you tie it up, take your tulle ribbon, pass it through, voila, and then tie it up. Now this here should stay at the top, so if not, you can come and bring it to the top, then tie. And you see you get a beautiful flat knot there. Now what we're going to do, let's decide where we want this. That's going to look good right there, I think. So that means I want my bow at this end. Or do I want it there and have my bow at this end? And personally, it's going to go there and my bow at this end. So you see, I just play a little bit with it to decide where I'm going to put the bow. Now we're going to put the adhesive in the back. So this one is just, I call it crank it up a notch, you know, just one little extra step or add different ribbon and it oops, whoo, stop talking, pay attention, right? What did I say? It was coming here, go there. Just a little extra piece of ribbon and it makes such a big difference sometimes, you know. It's not one that I would do hundreds of that like the other one, just because it take a little bit longer. But if you just do 10, 4, 5, that is perfect. Put that right there. Now you're going to take your scissors, cut that diagonal. Voila. You get that cute little bow. Now you can take this, tuck and tuck under. Here we go. If it's too long, you can trim it. Even if it's a little bit too long, it's going to go in the envelope. One more thing, if you see this want to move, many I don't do that, but if you see it move, I'm looking for my glue dots that it is in this mist someplace here. I don't know why I don't, oh, here they are, stuck under all those cards. I like to take my snip here, take my glue dots like this, lift it up, shove, 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 and push it down. That way this don't move at all, see? Okay, this can go a little bit more this way, and then I'm gonna go this way. Here we go. And then this here, if you pull on it, you're gonna see a lot of mine, they stay down like this. So then it give a little bit more like a bow. Voila. After you pull and tuck on it, it stay right there. And these, I put the thank you. You can put happy birthday. You can put get well. I think those print go with many things. For the thank you from the bottom of my heart, is it that? From the bottom of my heart. That is from the stamp set Bloom and Grow. Bloom and Grow. Let me remove this. This is the stamp set. I'm going to have another video using those flowers shortly. Okay, now I'm going to come here and put it right there. Now, remember the strip that I told you we had, you know, when we cut your paper? Now I'm going to look for the matching strip that go with that. I should have some. I should, right? It's the purplish. Maybe I used them all on another card. Let me see. No, I got it right here. See? Well, that's not quite the same. You know what? I must have used them by mistake in another card, but that's okay. I'm going to still use this one. It go very lovely with it. Or, let me see. Okay, I'm going to use this one here. That is very good, but it was the back of another one. I'm going to use a strip. You can put Tombow. I just did here. I didn't cut this. I just thought, what a great way to use the, oh, I got one right here. That's the one. What a great way to use those scraps to bring the party inside the card, right? So I just lay it there on top of my glue, turn it around, and then snip it in the back. Voila. Now this piece going to work for another one, right? Et voila, my friend. So just a little bit different. See, it stayed very lovely. You can move it, and after you really tuck it, you're good. So here's one, here's another one, this. So you can use all of those print. They're very pretty. I just decide, you know, which one I'm going to do. Some of them here I did with Blackberry Bliss also. You see the little bit of Blackberry Bliss? It really pop out also. So this is it, my little tip for quick cards with designer series paper. All the product and all the measurement will be listed on my blog. Below you get the direct link, or above, and it's all there. Just a one click, and 24/7 you can shop right there. Thank you so much, my friend, and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.